In this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about how to make Reels on Instagram. So this is a fairly new feature Instagram has introduced us with, and this is basically the exact same as TikTok. So if you are pretty much familiar with TikTok, this is not that hard for you to use. But if this is totally new for you, this is the right video. So in order to open the Reels, we basically want to go to our story camera right here, and we want to select Reels at the bottom, right here. And once you're here, you can see that there are four sort of effects, and the first one is a song. So you can choose basically any song actually you want. You can choose it from this list, or you can search for it right here. But I'm just going to use this song right here. And usually it is already set on the right or perfect part of the song. But you can also just skip around and choose a different part if you want to. But usually I just leave it on the part it is selected on. So once you have chosen your song, you can just click on done. And we are going to go right over the second effect. And the second effect is the speed your song will play. So of course 0.3 times is super slow and 3 times is super fast. So you can just mess around with that. You can also just leave it on on the default, and that is 1, of course. That's that. The third tab or effect is the different effects you can use. I think all of these are actually on your story as well. And maybe some of them are a bit similar to TikTok's filters or something like that. But you can just choose any of these filters if you want to. And then the last effect is the timer. You can basically set on how long you want to record. The maximum amount of seconds is 15 seconds currently, which is quite short actually. But that is basically it. You can set the timer, as you can see. From that point on, you can basically record. So you can just record for a few seconds. And once you've done that, you can you can just save it. What you can also do, you can change the effects for your next clip. So you can, for example, choose this effect right here. And you can also change the song up if you want to, by clicking on here and just choose, this random song. Then click on done. And you can record once again. And now your filter is different, and your song is different as well. And you can just mess around with that and record your own reels. And once you're completely done and you think this video is fine, you can click on the arrow that on the right, just like this, and this will sort of show you the video. As you can see, with 2 different effects, because we recorded 2 different clips. We can click on the arrow again. Right here we can write a caption, whatever you want to, and we can click on share, just like this. And now it is uploading your reel to the Reels, of course. So we're going to wait for that, and let's see how it looks like. So it has now been posted, and this will also appear on your feed because we selected that. And but this is basically how it looks like in Reels. So that is all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked and if you have any questions. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.